The trial balance. The walk of shame for accountants. If double entry is the religion, the trial balance is Judgment Day. This is the moment where we gather all the numbers we have been scribbling down all month, put them in one big list, and pray to the gods of finance that they match. It is the most stressful 10 seconds of an accountant's month. Imagine working for 30 days straight. You have recorded thousands of sales, hundreds of expenses, payroll, taxes, and that one coffee the CEO bought in Dubai. You have typed millions of digits. At the end of the month, you run the trial balance. You are off by a few cents. Do you go home? No. Do you ignore it? No. You spend the next 6 hours hunting for those pennies, because if the trial balance does not balance, the software locks you out. You cannot produce a profit and loss. You cannot produce a balance sheet. You are stuck in purgatory. It feels like a cruel joke. The entire billion-dollar company grinds to a halt because of a rounding error. Okay, forget the office. Think about a group dinner with 12 friends. Everyone orders food. Everyone drinks. At the end of the night, the bill comes. It is $800. You take charge because you are the smart one. You tell everyone to throw their cash on the table. You collect the money. You count the pile of crumpled bills. You have $760. The panic sets in. The restaurant wants $800. The table only provided $760. You are out of balance by $40. What happens next? Did Kevin forget to pay for his beer? Did Sarah underpay for the appetizers? Did you count it wrong? You have to recount everything. You have to interrogate your friends. You have to audit the nachos. That feeling of sweaty panic where you know someone is wrong, but you do not know who, that is the trial balance. Technically, the trial balance is just a list. It lists every single bucket in your system and tells you how much is in it. Because of the double entry rule we just discussed, that every debit has a credit, column 1 of the trial balance must equal its column 2. Why do we do it? It is a diagnostic test. If it balances, great. Mathematical gravity is working. We probably did it right. If it does not balance, you broke the rules. You entered a debit without a credit somewhere. You have to find it. The suspense account, the bucket of shame. If you absolutely cannot find the missing $40 from dinner, you put in your own $40 just to leave the restaurant. In accounting, if we cannot find the error, we shove the difference into a temporary account called the suspense account. It sits there on the balance sheet, glaring at you, a permanent reminder of your failure until you fix it. Be careful. The trial balance only checks the math. It does not check the truth. If you paid for a bribe and recorded it as consulting fees, the trial balance will balance perfectly. The math is right, the morality is wrong. The trial balance does not care about your soul, it only cares about arithmetic. Here's the takeaway. The trial balance is the gatekeeper. You cannot pass go, and you cannot collect your bonus until this list balances. If you ever see a set of accounts where the balance sheet does not balance, you run. It means the accountant didn't even do the idiot check.